Welcome back. My name is Alex Beltran. I talk real estate, and there's a revolution going on right now between real estate agents that use AI and real estate agents that don't use AI. Which one are you? The first question that I see a lot of real estate agents ask is, what is AI? And the truth is, I don't know. And I don't care. Does it work or not? And the answer is undeniably yes, it does work. Want to create a mailer for your expired listing? Boom. Done. The perfect description for your listing? Not even a challenge. Want to create a sequence of outbound emails for the people that sign up to your open house? Cake. Want to make a very complicated subject more concise so that you can put it on your door hangers or on your social media post? Easy peasy. Essentially, you can create more without burning so many damn brain cells. And look, we're both real estate agents here. We know how this process goes. There's a lot of things on our minds to begin with. Being able to take sort of like these little projects off of our plate is literally a dream come true. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how. First things first, you have to go to your AI chatbot. Go on ahead and type in chat.openai.com. You'll be met with the sign up section where you will use your Gmail account. Look, listen guys, it's 2023. Everybody has a Gmail account. It's how our government spies on us. As of the time of this recording, there is a free version, which is the 3.5, if I'm not mistaken. It's good enough for pretty much all of the work that you need to do as a real estate agent. However, there is the paid version, which is the 4.0, which I believe is about 20-ish bucks a month, which 20 bucks a month isn't that bad, especially in comparison to how much you pay your assistant to sit on their ass and scroll through TikTok all day. Oh, I'm sorry. Look, don't shoot the messenger. You hired them. Personally, I like to have like a conversation with the chatbot. You'll know what I mean in just a moment. I find that this works best for me. And look, I'm sure that there's some AI experts somewhere out there barking at his computer screen saying there are easier prompts that you can input. I'm sure there are. But for the majority of us regular people, this is good enough. So over here on the side are the new chats. These are just old ones I personally use. I don't know if you've been noticing on my YouTube channel how I start putting up quizzes. I use Chat GPT to write basic real estate quizzes so that people can interact with my communities tab on YouTube. I can go into that some other day. Anyway, I like to be as descriptive as possible. So I'm just gonna make up a scenario right now. Let's just say I am creating a new website and I need an About Me section. Personally, here's how I would do it. I would say something along the lines of, I'm creating an About Me section on my real estate website. I'm a luxury real estate agent in Denver, Colorado. I tend to work with properties well over $1 million in the south part of Denver. I've been in real estate for over 10 years. I work with Berkshire Hathaway and I also work with investors. Boom. There you go. There you go. Look at that. So this is the part where, you don't have to use this verbatim, but it is a good launch point. Like, welcome to my corner of the Denver luxury real estate market. With over a decade of experience in the industry, I am proud to serve you as a trusted guide through the world of high-end properties in the beautiful southern region of Denver. I'm pretty sure I could have put in, a couple of cities there, whatever. This is where you can edit it to your liking. About my work, luxury real estate specialist. I specialize in luxury real estate, fashion lines, and helping high-end clientele. I work for Berkshire Hathaway, part of the Berkshire Hathaway real estate family, experience with well over a decade. Why choose me? Local expertise, longtime resident of Denver. I know the ins and outs of the city, diverse neighborhood. This is, let's connect. Thank you for considering me as your luxury real estate agent. Not bad, right? Copy, paste that into some type of Google Drive or whatever the case may be. Fix up a couple things, add your name to it, maybe. And bada bing, bada boom, you're done. That way you don't have to worry about it. How long could this have taken someone? What? An hour maybe to write? This thing wrote it in literally seconds. It all depends on how you set up the prompt. I could have probably been even more detailed with that particular prompt. Literally, the sky is the limit with anything that you can do with Chat GPT. Like I said, you can create a sequence of emails. Once again, you don't have to be verbatim. You can chop that up into different things. You can create newsletters, whatever the case may be. A lot of this stuff could be used with Chat GPT. As you can see, something that used to take you maybe an hour to do, now you can do it in less than 10 minutes. Great. If you just go verbatim to what Chat GPT uses, then you can probably do it in seconds. But like I said, make it a little more organic, make it sound like yourself, and I think you should be good. If you get stuck, go ahead and email me. My email should be linked down below, and I'm sure we can solve this problem together. Anyway, if you want to create a real estate website or a newsletter, come here. You can actually monetize that. You can actually make money off of something that you were gonna do anyway. Send an email. What? Getting paid to market yourself? Yeah, go on ahead and click on this next video and I'll show you how. Catch you on the next one. Peace.